Hey Anthony, yes, so we're on schedule. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me at any time. All right, man, sounds good. Have a good day. All right, guys, so right there, that was a quick little project recap. We are set to start the project tomorrow. We were just confirming all our wire drops at all the windows, which is very important to assess a project in construction at the early stage of the design. That way, all the wire drops can be ran through the walls, everything can be integrated with the smart home system. So when it comes to developers, contractors, builders, custom home builders, as a matter of fact, we partner up with them. They become an iTints authorized reseller, being able to offer the latest and greatest innovation of dynamic privacy with iTints Smart Film. This is revolutionary. This is how our resellers can showcase our iTints technologies to their clients. As a matter of fact, today we have an authorized reseller lunch and learn. They are a smart home and lighting company. They've seen the technology. They actually have it installed in one of their conference rooms many years ago. And guess what? Right now, with our authorized reseller program, if you're a local company here to South Florida, whether you are a home automation company, lighting, custom home builder, interior designer, window and door company, glass enclosure company, it's time you guys step into the future with iTints technology. Offer your clients the latest and greatest innovation of dynamic privacy and sun control. You have your dining room areas, you have your living room, master bathroom, master bedroom. iTints Smart Film can be applied for all types of areas, all different types of window structures, and allows you to not have to settle for blinds and shades anymore. Not saying blinds and shades are bad, but smart film is the future, guys. So this is our smart film display. iTints technology is revolutionizing the way that you obtain your privacy for all type of windows and doors in your home and home office. So with that being said, guys, we have to step out. We have a full schedule, full day ahead of us. We're gonna do a project walkthrough on one of our clients here in Miami Lakes. Next door, the neighbor's also doing the front entrance swing doors. We're gonna follow up with our lead technician, Felix, our junior technician, Junior. We're gonna do a quick little assessment with the client. From there, onto the lunch and learn at 12. It's already 10, so time is of an essence. From there, we're on to another walkthrough at Miami Beach. So stay tuned, guys. Full day ahead of us. Step into the future with iTints.